There's no question that artificial intelligence stocks have been the hottest stocks in 2024. Investors are looking at AI stocks like C3.ai and Soundhound AI, trying to understand which one will be better for 2025 and beyond. C3.ai expanding to 325 million in trailing 12-month revenue. Soundhound AI is also growing revenue nicely as its voice AI technology is working really well. Right now, the most popular use cases for SoundHound AI's products are in restaurants and for inside vehicles. It has signed major car manufacturers as customers, and those customers that it's signing are expanding relationships with SoundHound AI. And I had to pick one of them. I would pick SoundHound AI because of those improving trends.